Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to see 14 synonyms of the word teacher, their meaning and the usage of the synonyms. First, let's see the list of synonyms of the word teacher. The first 7 synonyms are tutor, educator, trainer, professor, lecturer, coach, and master. Instructor, mentor, precipitator, teaching personnel, faculty, teaching staff, and guide. Now, let us see the meaning and usage of the synonyms. The first synonym of the word teacher is tutor. The meaning of the word tutor is a person who teaches in school. Now, let us see how to use the word tutor in a sentence. A teacher doesn't have to be smart. It is just enough if he is brighter than the student. The second synonym of the word teacher is educator. The meaning of the word educator is a person who provides education. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence. He continues to be a driving force in the autism community as an educator and speaker. The third synonym of the word teacher is trainer. The meaning of the word trainer is a person who trains people. Now, let us see how to use the word trainer in a sentence. Health club businesses required a trainer for its Spanish clients. The fourth synonym of the word teacher is professor. The meaning of the word professor is a teacher of the highest rank in an university. Now, let us see how to use the word professor in a sentence. Many universities prefer professors who hold doctorate degrees to teach courses. The fifth synonym of the word teacher is lecturer. The meaning of the word lecturer is a person who gives lectures, especially as an occupation at university or college. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence. He remained in Cambridge for 2 years as a lecturer and then left to take up the professorship of mathematics at Queen's College. The sixth synonym of the word teacher is coach. The meaning of the word coach is an instructor or trainer in sport. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence. The Indian cricket team has one of the best coach currently. The seventh synonym of the word teacher is master. The meaning of the word master is a male teacher. Now let's see how to use the word master in a sentence. There were no masters appointed in the school I studied as it was a girls' school. The eighth synonym of the word teacher is instructor. The meaning of the word instructor is a person who teaches something. Now, let's see how to use the word instructor in a sentence. Jack's gym instructor played a major role in his success as Mr. India. The ninth synonym of the word teacher is mentor. The meaning of the word mentor is an experienced person in an educational institution who trains and counsels new students. Now, let us see how to use the word mentor in a sentence. Susan's mentor made her very comfortable on the very first day of her class at new school. The tenth synonym of the word teacher is preceptor. The meaning of the word preceptor is someone who trains people how to do a job. Now, let's see how to use the word preceptor in a sentence. We all learn different techniques from our preceptors during training. The 11th synonym of the word teacher is teaching personnel. The meaning of the word teaching personnel is teaching staff referring to professional personnel directly involved in teaching students. Now, let us see how to use the word teaching personnel in a sentence. A teaching personnel becomes very close to the students as they have everyday interaction with them. The 12th synonym of the word teacher is faculty. The meaning of the word faculty is a group of departments in a college that specializes in a particular subject or group of subjects. Now, let us see how to use the word faculty in. He has been a faculty member at the college for 20 years. The 13th synonym of the word teacher is teaching staff. The meaning of the word teaching staff is a tutor who works in an educational institution. Now, let us see how to use the word tutor in a sentence. The teaching staff must be given freedom in the classroom. The 14th synonym of the word teacher is guide. The meaning of the word guide is a person who shows the way to others. Now, let us see how to use the word guide in a sentence. My father is a great guide who helped me in my career. Hope the video was informative. If you like the video, like and share the video and do subscribe our channel without fail. And click on the bell button to get notifications of our future videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning. Hope the video was informative. If you like the video, like and share the video and do subscribe our channel without fail. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.